My name is George. I am a primary English teacher here at Oxford Doğa Quality School. The physical conditions here at the school are very exceptional due to our supportive team in Oxford. They are continuously sending us unlimited resources for our phenomenal library and our extracurricular activities. Due to these supplies, teaching has become much more successful and more enjoyable for the students. The development of myself and the other teachers here at the school has been rapidly increasing because we have traveled to Oxford for trainings and seminars, and together we are growing as an Oxford quality team, and together we will enhance the significance of education here in Turkey. Being a teacher for an Oxford quality school is both an enormous opportunity and a great responsibility.